guys, Alina here and welcome to my channel. Today I like to share with you some nice videos what we shooting 2 years ago. I was never have a time to editing and I finally take all together and now I'm ready to share what we actually creative. So it was some kind of competition. It was like 5 or 6 girls of us and we have all different nails. So one challenge it was we show the nails for people, like we don't know them, it's nothing to do with our family or friends, and they have to decide and choose which one it's the best. And another it was who is stay longest with these nails. It's mean, for example, if I have a long nails and I am after 2 weeks or 1 week I'm take them off, but my friend she's never take them off. She survived for 2-3 weeks and she was do everything at home and go work with these nails. So basically she's cope with them. So she's win who is stay longer win some money. So it was very big fun and we was try to shooting everything what we do. It's basically not so easy, but first I say like maybe first 3-4 days we was try to shoot every single thing. So in this video I'm gonna show you one of us how we was walk around and how people actually react on the nail art what we created. And another videos I will editing slowly, so every week I'm gonna put one video more. So I hope you enjoy it. You can see this video it was 2 years ago. It was no one wearing mask yet, everyone was smiling, free smiling without mask, and a lot of shops it's still open. So enjoy it. And please comment if you like this video, what you think about that idea. So I think it's kind of fun. I think it's actually for people nice to sometimes give like that jokes, so it just make us happy.
Set up your JJ. I looked at my lips and then I'm like, no.
They're different kind of lips.
Titties on your fingers. And I've been, hey. And I've been, what the hell? What do people say?
They love it. They love it.
Oh, I can't do this. This is so
Is that seriously a big Oh my word. I mean, you need to bedazzle it. The size of this, it needs a piercing. And
you want to pierce the clit?
yes. It needs a piercing. It needs a piercing. It'll look so pretty, don't you think?
I'm interested what men actually think when they see this.
Petrol station, he actually said he's in love with me because he saw these nails.
Oh my.
Imagine. Did he know what he was looking at though? He knew what he was looking at. And he was getting the wrong idea. He was getting the wrong idea.
That's what I was about to say, man. I don't want to speculate. Maybe it's something else and you can say.
I know what it is.
Oh, man.
Guys, it's flower. It's flower.
It's beautiful flower.
Oh, Christ.
Покажи его! Дети!
I also need to put a name. I want to know.
Did you get what? What did you get? What? What is this? See what it is. It's a VJ. And who?
What is it? Show us, show us, what is it?
What is it? This is a piece.
What is this? It's hot.
This ball? Oh shit.
Very much to watching my video, and I hope I see you next week. So don't forget to put thumb up and comment if you like it or not. Bye bye.